It's Mimi here. I know my first video like 2 years ago, I stated how I want to start YouTube and it's the new year, blah 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 blah, and then I just never followed through with it. I know. So, I mean, I can honestly blame like a million things, but in all honesty, it's me. Yeah. So, no excuses this year. I'm just gonna start randomly filming stuff in my life. I thoroughly love like creating stuff and recording myself to watch back on, and I'm like, why am I not uploading these things? Like, why am I putting all the shit together, all the effort and everything, and then just like not uploading it? And why do I care what people think? So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. I've been in a very depressive state in the past couple of days, and so that is why I'm making this video. I'm either very OCD where everything has to be in a particular order, or I'm gonna rot in bed for like 3-4 days and I have no motivation for anything at all. And so yeah, this is after those few days. So yeah, if you want to watch me get up and clean my room, and if you want to clean your room while I'm at it, then yeah, stay tuned. So this is what I'm working with. I have a perfectly beautiful bench under here, not bench, but chair under here that I've just managed to like throw all my clothes on top. Yeah, my shoes, I need to organize all that. Hangers are all over the place. Some clothes that I need to hang up right there. And I actually have all my PJs in there and all my athletic wear, but then since it's a basket, I've just been throwing everything on top. So yeah, my nightstand, it's a nightmare. I have everything on there that I need to clean up. And then I have these window lights, and I love my room because it is so bright, and for most days I wake up super early because of it and I feel super productive. But like I've been telling you, during this depressive episode, I've just been like wanting to sleep in, and daylight at like 6 o'clock in the morning is no fun. So yeah, I managed to put a pillow there where my crystals are, and then it caused all of them to fall down. And yeah, I put a blouse there just to block out the extra sunlight. My bed, it has not been made in the past 3 days. However, I did wash my sheets, so bonus points for me. My boyfriend's side of the bed, we have all our games there because even though we live in a whole house, we managed to like bring everything up here and then do everything in here and then not live in the living room, if that makes sense. Yeah, I need to go through this. I don't know what it is, but yeah, I'm using that book to block out the sunlight. Yeah. My desk, it's very messy. I've been throwing everything on top of this thing too, so I need to organize that. And I need to vacuum the floor because my hair plus a Labrador Retriever's hair, this girl, yeah, it's a lot of hair. Okay, enough talking, let's get started. Guys, excuse Evie, but this is the room cleaned for the most part. Thank you if you watched this far. I hope that was somewhat helpful. I know watching people clean on YouTube usually helps me jumpstart my day and motivates me to clean. Hopefully I did that for you. And if you are dealing with depression or if you have anxiety like I do, I want you to know that you are not alone and that you are loved, and we got this. One step at a time, whether that be cleaning your room or waking up and making sure you're fed. And yeah, please let me know if you would like to hear me talk about mental health in the comments below, or just let me know like what other content you would like to see. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.